Hello world, this is Shiraj. Welcome to this Mac Techs. In this video, we are going to have a special unbox. Yes, iPhone 12 Pro Max. It is the largest display of any iPhone ever created. So, let's get started.
Here we have the pack covered by transparent cover. The iPhone 12 Pro Max comes in different colors like Pacific Blue, Graphite, Silver and Gold. I have selected this Pacific Blue color. I think we don't need any hard knife or any other special tools. We can simply unbox this. Wow. Let's check out the box. iPhone, Apple logo this side, and again. And let's take a look at on the back side of the box. Here we have IMEI number details, and let's open. Wow, here we have the big boy and nice finishing. You can see the build quality here. Let's take this. The front side they have protector and stainless steel finishing. Okay, let's keep this big boy and have a look at on this accessories. Here we have the data cable. Let's check out this. Here we have USB Type-C to Lightning cable. And here we have another one kind of documentation, I think. Let's have a look at on this. Here we have the SIM card ejector. What else we have? A kind of documentation. Okay, we'll read later. And last one, the Apple logo embedded sticker. Only the data cable comes with this iPhone. You have to buy a charging adapter, hands-free and other accessories. Okay, let's check the big boy. On the left side we can see the SIM card compartment. This iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with dual SIM, nano SIM and eSIM. In the bottom side we have built-in microphones, lightning connector and built-in speaker. The right side we have power button. You can see the stainless steel design in all four sides. The front side you can see the Gorilla Glass, ceramic sealed. Here we have the camera compartment. All three lenses are together. 2.5 optical zoom and 12 times digital zoom. Here we have the telephoto lens, 6-element lens. And here we have the wide angle lens. This is 7-element lens. And here we have the ultra wide. This is a 5-element lens. More than that, it has the LiDAR scanners. It is specialized for night mode portraits. Let's power on iPhone 12 Pro Max. It comes with A14 Bionic chip. Hello. Swipe up to open. Select the language and country. Setting language. Quick start. We'll set up manually and we'll give continue and we'll set up the internet connections, Face ID, create the password, and I don't want to share this data, and Apple ID and terms and conditions. We'll give the express settings, and screen time we'll leave as it is, and app analysis I don't want to share here, and true tone display we'll give the continue, and appearance, light and dark I like to prefer the light, and display zoom I like to prefer the standard one. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. 6.7-inch Super Retina display. Welcome to app library. I will click on the settings and see the controls available here. Notifications, sounds and haptics, general setting, control center, display and brightness, home screen, Face ID and passcode, battery, privacy, password and other applications. Many more applications. Let's have a quick tour on camera application. Asking to turn on GPS. Let's give the permission. Here you have the tip, new quick check video, tips, portrait, panorama, and different settings available. Video, we can shoot 4K video, slow-mo and time-lapse. In iPhone 12 Pro Max we can have Apple Pro RAW for advanced edit. You can see the quality here, that's quite good. And the front facing camera is 12 megapixels with 4K video. And let's have a look at on this photo applications and some quick tips, and we'll give continue. Let's have a look at on this about device. Warranty expires on 2022 February 24th. Hardware coverage and technical support. We go back and check the software. iOS 14.4 is installed here, and we'll see the iPhone storage, and this iPhone 256 GB. This iPhone 12 Pro Max is fueled by 3687 mAh battery and the Hexacore CPU. Bunch of applications come with this iPhone 12 Pro Max, and some of the applications can be downloaded as free in the App Store. Access Control Center, the standard controls, increase volume, decrease volume, brightness, flashlight, and orientation control. Let's have a quick tour on some of the application. Well, clock, contacts, and this iPhone 12 Pro Max comes with proximity, compass and barometer sensors additionally. Calendar application. We'll continue and access this GPS location. This is just an unboxing and setup video. I'll be able to post some interesting stuff on iPhone 12 Pro Max in my upcoming videos. Screenshot, decrease volume, increase volume, turn off the display.
Hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you love this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell. Then you will be notified to my brand new videos. Thank you very much, guys. We'll meet in the next video. Bye.